to Piano Video Lessons Year 1, Unit 3, Lesson 12. This is video number 44 on YouTube, and it's a finger gym. We have already learned the ascending pattern of the Hanon exercise, where the right hand moves its way up the piano by opening up into skips after the first note of every pattern, and we finished here with our thumb on C and our highest reach up to a G that sits on top of treble staff. And if you look at this Hanon exercise, you can see that we're going to begin with that note, which is G above the staff. So here's middle C, here's treble G, and here's the G we're going to begin on. Now, this is going to feel very much like the left hand Hanon ascending pattern that we've already learned. It starts off with finger 5, and right away it opens finger 4 up a third, and then it steps down by neighbors until we finish the pattern, closing up to open again with a third down to D, and stepping again, closing up to E and opening to create that movement down the piano. D, open, F, going up now, C, push, and going back up. Now we have B, push, open a third, let your hand relax to close here, and open up a third, down we go, and finish on C. So rather than closing up and playing a G here, we're going to finish it with a C, because that's the home note of the key we're playing in. So I'm not going to give a whole lot of description of this one. It's an exercise. The exercise is reaching a third between fingers 5 and 4. And if you like, you can go through and circle all of the thirds that you will find in this piece, just as we did in the other two Hanons. But most importantly, what you want to do is learn to open from 5 to 4 by skipping over one key. So we're just going to practice that until it's quite automatic. And here I'm playing it allegro all the way down. This is my last one, starting on A, and there we finish it on C. So there's a little note here at the bottom of this exercise that encourages you to go back to the first two Hanons and to try to play them with a staccato touch. So we have already played this with perhaps a legato touch. This is Hanon number 1 ascending from yellow exercise lesson 4. But what you could do is take it nice and slow and let your fingers hop on the keys, playing each one staccato, nice relaxed wrist, and fingers sort of running on the keys and pushing up, causing this kind of motion. My wrist is every time going up a little. That was finger gym number 4 from this unit, and we could go back and do number 8, lesson 8, with the left hand, practicing staccato here as well. All the way through, nice and relaxed, bouncing off the keys, and hold for the last one. That's it. Join me in lesson 13, where we're going to do some sight reading.